Hey, good morning. Monday mortgage market update. Market's great. You're great. Everybody loves you. Today, I had quite a bit of comments last week on what people wanted me to touch on. What we're going to talk about today is we're going to do a little bit of recap on home warranty programs and what they are. Someone had asked me to explain that. I'm going to talk about are you house rich and the statistics of first-time home buyers. If you're a millennial, which I know everybody is, we're going to give you 5 positive tips for millennial home buying. We're going to talk about a little bit of everything. Prime lending, that's where I'm at. Lisa Keating, Century 21 affiliated. Good morning. How are you? Hope you're well. Home warranties, very interesting. You hear a lot of people or a lot of posts online going, hey, do you know someone that can fix a dishwasher? Or, hey, I need my doorbell fixed. I get nothing from home warranties, by the way. I'm just a spokesperson for myself because I have one and they're great. Basically, what you do is you pay an annual fee. Say it's $500, $580 a month. Then when something breaks in your house, you go online, and next thing you know, you get an email saying Bob's Plumbing is coming out to fix your sink. Bob's Plumbing comes out. You give them a nominal service fee, and they go away and it's fixed. I got to tell you, I've used mine on dishwashers, dryers, washing machines, ceiling fans, furnaces, air conditioning. The myth on home warranties is you can do it after you purchase your home. A lot of people buy them, and the realtor will throw in a home warranty for the buyer. You can be in your home and still get a home warranty. It does cover pre-existing conditions. That being said, I think there's a 30-day grace period from when you buy one until when it kicks in. But honestly, you get 2 or 3 calls and it's going to pay for itself. They're absolutely unbelievable. I don't understand why everyone doesn't have one. Simply because you make a call. I had my furnace out. They were there the next day. Air conditioning over the summer. Dishwasher, laundry machine. Like I said, doorbell, ceiling fans, hot water heaters. You name it, it's covered. So if you need any information on it, and again, I get nothing from it. I just think they're awesome. And why people don't have them, I do not know. So if you don't have one and you can tell me why you don't, please do. All right, Monday morning. Hope you had a great weekend. April 1st is coming. It's going to be April Fool's Day. Tell you what's not fooled is this housing market. Absolutely incredible. During 2020, and I know we're in 2021, but during 2020, the average median home price rose by 13%. That's a lot of money. Which brings me to a conversation of house rich. You don't hear that a lot anymore just because the market's crazy. Down payments can be lower. But my mother-in-law used to tell me money's in the bricks. It's a good investment, sometimes, not all the time. 30%, this is an interesting statistic, 30% of all homeowners had a home valued at twice as much as their current mortgage. So 30% of all homeowners had a house valued at twice as much as their current mortgage. Simple math, $100,000 mortgage, your house is valued at $200,000. There may not be money in the bank, but there's $100,000 in equity in that home. Depending on when you bought the home and the appreciation of the home and the value of the home and the area, homes are pretty damn good investment. If you are a millennial, I don't know the ages for a millennial, but I'm pretty sure I am not one. I think Lisa Keating is, though. 5 positive messages for millennials. I'm going to say this is 5 positive messages for everybody. If you are a loan officer or a realtor, your market should be everybody, but millennials, because they are more prepared to buy a mortgage, to buy a house and get a mortgage than any other age group. Freddie Mac did research into millions and millions of anonymous credit reports, and they found that 46 million millennials are financially ready to apply for a mortgage and buy a house. 46 million millennials. Realtors, find a millennial and get their 45 million other friends to call me. 46%. 46% million millennials are financially sound and ready to apply for a mortgage and buy a house. Now again, Freddie Mac did an anonymous credit report, credit poll, credit review, if you will, of millions and millions of Americans. Down payments are not as large of a barrier as they used to be. First-time home buyers, 39%, this drives me crazy, 39% of first-time home buyers think you still need 20% down to buy a house. You do not need 20% down to buy a house. It can be as low as 3%, it can be 0% if you're a vet. The average first-time home buyer is putting down 6%. So 39% think they're holding themselves back. They got the cash in the bank, they got the job, they're ready to go, but some knucklehead told them you need 20% down. You do not. You will have private mortgage insurance. That's another story. Nothing wrong with it. But the average homeowner, first-time home buyer, put down 6%. More millennials are getting gifts from direct relatives. You can get a gift from a parent or a brother or a sister. It's put in the bank, used to buy your house. So more millennials are getting a gift. Affordability is much higher due to lower mortgage rates. And again, millennials may have never seen rates above 2 or 3, but they're still hovering high 2s, low 3s. We'll talk about rates later because I can't really talk about rates, but they're damn good. Refis are still strong. I'm not done yet. Number 5, lower rates are increasing your buying power. Meaning if you were approved at 4%, I don't know, a few years ago, and now you're at 3 on a 15-year or less, you can afford more. How do you know what you can afford? Is you pick up the phone and you call me. Call your favorite lender. We'll run some numbers. It will take 15 minutes to get you a pre-approval. 15. So if you're dealing with a realtor, you're out shopping at homes or for homes, you should not be out shopping for homes without a free pre-approval. Did one Saturday morning, literally took me from application to pre-approval letter, pre-qualification letter, I think it was 10 minutes. So very key in purchasing a home. So go out and buy a house if you're a millennial. If you're not a millennial, still go out and buy a house. Record-setting lack of homes for sale is another topic. Construction loans. A lot of people are moving to the construction loans. Either construction to perm, meaning you're building a whole new house. You got a lot, building a house, there's your beautiful house, new construction loan. Or with everybody now possibly maybe working more from home, we're seeing a lot of people doing remodels, putting in offices, putting in things they never thought they'd need before the vid. So a lot of opportunity. Construction loans are a great product. You build your dream house, you get to build it, you get to argue with your spouse about what you don't need, what they think they need. It's a very exciting time. So it's a good market. Again, a little recap, 30% of current mortgage borrowers. Laura Martin Marquardt, Coldwell Banker, Clarendon Hills, good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Glad you're awake this morning. 30% of all current, I'm just recapping for you, Laura, because I knew you'd be late. 30% of all current homeowners had a home valued at twice as much as their current mortgage. I think that's incredible. So those people are house rich. That's where you want to look into what is your rate on that mortgage. Do you have excess debt you want to pay off and do a cash out refinance? During 2020, median home prices rose by more than 13%. Millennials, according to everybody else, you are the smartest group out there to buy a house. Still, remember that number if you're a realtor. 46 million millennials are financially set to buy a house and apply for a mortgage. So you want to call on millennials with me? Let me know. Things are good. It's Monday. April's coming. Cubs are going to be playing soon. I hope you're well. I'm around. Call me if you need me. Ah, crap. I can't turn the damn thing off. Call me if you need me. I'm showing my age. I'm not a millennial. Honest to God. It won't turn off. I can't get the damn thing to turn off. We're going to talk here until I find this button. There we go. Bye-bye.